Power is a Nordic consumer electronics and home appliances retailer. We have stores in Denmark, Norway, Finland, and then we have online store in Sweden. And really what we try to do different from everyone else is we really want to be the world's most customer friendly. And we do that with our support department, which is helping customers set up their devices. And if they have any technical issues, they can come down to us and we will help them with that. So that's what Power is. Well, first off, there's a lot of customers who are even afraid to try it, I'd say. They're afraid that they either won't get everything transferred or they're afraid they might accidentally delete something, or especially the old generation are very concerned with doing this themselves. And I think, it's if you don't have the right tools for it, it's also very bothersome. It can be quite difficult to get everything transferred. And that's why we try to help them empower with doing this for them, because it's really, if you don't know, if you're not technical, even if you have the right tools, it can be difficult to figure out where to find all the data you have on your device. At first, in the beginning, we were using hard drives, transferring from one PC to the hard drive and then to the new PC. And that is time consuming because we basically have to transfer everything twice. But also, of course, we have the new GDPR regulations in Europe, and we have to make sure that all customer data is safe. We can't store it. And of course, whenever you are moving something to a hard drive, you have this hard drive kind of flying around. And, if you accidentally put it to the wrong PC or accidentally put it in a store, it can be many things. And we don't want that customer data to be floating around in our stores. And so I started looking for alternatives, and I came across, you can have these cables from one PC to another and they transfer directly. And I think I tried 4 or 5 different ones, and honestly, they worked, but it was very bothersome to use and slow even, and just didn't really work well. So I kept searching, and then I came across Laplink's USB cable, which is actually how I found Laplink and PC Mover. So I tried that out, and it's easy, it's fast, it really just, everything was great about it, and it could transfer everything, which was more than anything else we hadn't been able to do previously. So there really wasn't any question about us wanting this product, because it was just perfect for us and our customers. First of all, we care a lot about our customers' security and their data. Of course, GDPR regulations, like I said before, but also just that the customer feels safe. And with Laplink, we can say that we have this program called PC Mover. We actually have a cable we stick into your old one and your new one. It's direct transfer, and your data we won't keep your data. We won't store your data anyway. It's just going directly from your old one to your new one. So already there, customers are, feeling safe about giving us their data to transfer. And also, other than safety, it's also fast, which means that whenever a customer is buying a new PC, I think everyone can understand that they want to get it as soon as possible. So with PC Mover, we can transfer pretty fast, so the customer can get the product as soon as possible. And not only that, but also, we are an electronic store, so we also have a lot of, it happens, defective devices. And, if we have a customer coming down with a broken PC, we can actually help them, because we can take that hard drive out of the PC and also use PC Mover to transfer that data there. So really, there's so many uses for us that just makes perfect sense with PC Mover. And again, also just the fact that it can transfer everything. I don't think any of our competitors really can do that. And I don't think a lot of people are aware that you have programs that can do that, like Laplink with PC Mover. So having something like that is just really great for us and our customers to be able to do that. Great, generally. It's easy to use. They just start up the program. What we do in Power specifically is we have the program on USB drives, because that way we won't have to use time to install it on the PCs. So they just plug in a USB drive to the old PC, to the new one, run the program. PC Mover basically tells you what you're supposed to do. So it's very simple, step by step. Do the transfer just quickly, always, just to make sure that everything went smoothly. We check the receiving PC, the new PC. We just check that everything is transferred, and we really rarely have issues with it, and if we do, it might be like a connection issue or something like that. So it's really been great feedback from our stores and our supporters.